Alright guys, I'm back with another unboxing. Alright, this chair I ordered back December 1st, I think it was. And it took forever to get here. I mean, it is now the 29th of December. I mean, that's a long time to wait for a chair. And then I canceled it. I'm like, screw it, I don't want this. I'll get something else. So I did. I got something else. I got a desk, instead. I replaced the other one, Anyhow, so this is the company. Here we get here. I got this off of Amazon. So office chair, ergonomic desk, computer chair, whatever. It says this $85 plus $10 shipping, um, and then tax, whatever, $100. All right. So I got my money back, and this is what the chair is supposed to look like. But so I go over here and look at the box. I mean, they just did not give a crap. I mean, what is that? A leg coming out or something? And this is from FedEx. This is why I don't like getting stuff from FedEx, because they really don't care. I mean, why does it have a big old hole in the box? Seriously. And this is, I can feel a leg. Yep. This is crazy. Crazy how bad damaged this box is. So hopefully the chair's okay. So I'm gonna first use my trusty knife and open it up, and then I'll come back to you. Alright, so I'm back. I took everything out. So we have everything there. This is actually metal, which is good. From what I understand, good to have a metal base instead of plastic, like most of those gaming chairs. And these, I like these. They don't attach, like they'll attach, I think, to the base. But here we have the instructions. Where do they attach to? Yeah, I think they attach to the base of the chair itself instead of the back. And those ones that you get that are that attach to the back, or the this part itself, are junk. Plus you don't get enough. If you're a bigger person, you don't get enough. Anyhow, the reason why I ordered this chair in the first place is because it's supposed to be for a bigger person. I'm 6'5", and I weigh around 330, 327, somewhere around that. So I need something to hold my weight and to be comfortable in it. And that's why I ordered this chair. And I got a good price on it. And then they took forever to send it. So I said, okay, screw it. Cancel the order. And so got my money back, but here's a free chair. And when my gaming chair comes in, this will be going to my girlfriend. So all right. So first off, we do is I'm going to put this on the back. I got to take this stuff out of here and put the wheels on, and then I'll come back after I'm done putting the wheels on and putting this base on, and this. So I'll have that all taken care of when I come back. All right, cool. All right, guys. So I got the wheels on the legs. I got the mount on there, and now I'm working on the back, which is a big pain in the ass because, oh boy, these. I don't know if I can do it on this one, but the screws that go in here, they go in on an angle. It doesn't look that way here, but when you get these, man, I'm too close. When you get these on there, it goes in on an angle. It's a pain in the ass. It says on the instructions to have two people doing this together. And look at, you got to get that all lined up in there. And it's a big, It really is a big pain in the ass. It's taken me like 10 minutes just to put this one on. But it's on, you know, and it's secure. All right, so I'm gonna put this arm on here, and then secure it to the bottom, and then I'll be back. All right, guys, I finally did it. It didn't take me as long this time because I figured it out, but yeah, it's on an angle, and you're probably gonna need to put it on your lap to get this done, and have somebody hold it for you. But yeah, it is a pain in the fundament. But it'll be worth it. You know, I mean, what are you gonna say? I mean, free is free, and if it works, it's gonna do great. So the next thing is I'm attaching this to here, and then I'll put this on, and then the legs, and then I'll be done. But so I'm gonna attach it first onto here, and then I'll come back. All right, guys. If you get one of these, don't put this on first, because this gets in the way for when you're trying to crank down this screw. Pain in the fundament, for real. I mean, these are pretty tight. I mean, but it's, I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart when I sit on it. That would suck. That would completely suck. All right, so next up is this, and put that in the hole, and then okay, then put that in there, and then I gotta put some weight on it. So let me pick it up and put it on the floor, and then put some weight on it. I'll be right back. All right, now it's put together. Now I'm gonna sit on it, see if it'll hold me. Oh, yeah, right. It holds me. Except I'm a big guy, so I can't have the arms down, so that sucks. But my girlfriend will love it. So, next video will be my gaming chair, black and white. I forgot where I got it from, but it's through Amazon as well. I'll put the link in the description below for you to pick up this chair wherever you want to get it. You know, probably Amazon. And please like, comment, and subscribe. There'll be more videos coming soon. Excuse my room, but I make cigarettes there. That's my tobacco. Those are chips. Yep. Yeah, those are gloves that I got from when I was in Minot, North Dakota with BNSF Railroad and transporting them. They gave them to me. I never wear them. So if anybody needs any mittens, they're very good. They're very comfortable, and they protect you for 85 below. So if you want them, let me know. Leave a comment or hit me up on my email. And there's the box of crap and what's left over, which is nothing except my knife and the instructions that I didn't even use. Wow, I feel like a YouTuber. Maybe one day I'll be able to do this and it'll be done like the Stradman, but I guess not. Yeah, and there's my mess. I didn't really clean up for this video. I don't care. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and oh yeah, I got a new channel coming out. It's called The Rusty Turd, and what it's going to be is I'm in the presence of looking for a new vehicle, and I'm at a low budget, so I can't afford anything. So I'm going to go on and find vehicles around, my price point, and I'm going to show people that there's a lot of rusty turds out there that are overpriced junk, and people say there's nothing wrong with it, but it needs a new transmission, or there's nothing wrong with it, and it needs a new engine, or there's nothing wrong with it, and it needs a throttle bearing, or something bullcrap like that. So it'll be called the Rusty Turd. I'll leave a link for it in the description below if you want to check that out as well. Haven't made a video yet, so it's a new channel. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Next video will be the gamer chair, and then hopefully after that I'll get a new computer. Alright, or do a build with one with my nephew. Alright, I'll talk to you. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. And I don't care if the comments are nasty or nice. Just leave a comment. Cool. Thanks.